How's it going, guys? Dylan's Outdoor Garage. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on our Weekend Warrior toy hauler project. Today we're going to be working on part 3, which is going to be replacing the shower faucet in this toy hauler. The shower faucet did have a small crack behind the faucet where the water line goes into, where the faucet knobs are, and it was causing it to leak behind the faucet, and it was dripping very slowly. So we're going to be replacing that with a brand new one so we can eliminate the issues of it leaking. If you have already watched parts 1 and 2 of this series of me working on this toy hauler, links to those will be down in the description down below, and the playlist will be up in the info card as well. I do want to say that I apologize for the long delay of uploading. Had some issues with my Google account that was tied to my YouTube channel. It took a while to get access back to those. I did finally get access again, and I'm ready to upload some more videos and try to be there for you guys and try to upload as much as I can. I do hate having these coming in and not posting anything for a long period of time, coming back and then not posting anything for long periods of time. But if you're not, I'm back. Thank you so much, and now on to the video. Oh, hi. This is not what it looks like. I'm just sitting on the pot thinking. Isn't that where a lot of people do their thinking, is on the pot? Well, anyways. Well, today I'm going to be thinking about replacing the shower faucet. So let's take a look and see what is needed to do that. So right now, I actually have the old faucet set up because I was trying to do a test of the new water pump. But now we're going to be replacing the shower faucet so that we can actually do a complete test of the water faucet in the shower so that we know that there's actually water coming through those lines. So I have this brace set up here because I didn't have an extra hand to help me push the old unit back there while I was tightening the connections in the back. So let me just take this off, and then we will disconnect the connections and put the new faucet on. It's pretty simple to do a faucet in this. It's just a couple screws, but this is the kit. It's by OMAV. I got this off of Amazon. Links to this will be down in the description down below. This is the exact replacement of the faucet that's in the bathroom now. I did have to remove the old faucet because I had to know what the holes were from center to center to make sure that I got the correct one. So yeah, from here to here, it is exactly 4 inches. So that's important to know when you're replacing any RV shower faucets. So this is the new one. This is where the shower faucet goes up, and that's how it was hooked up in the shower. So the hose was upwards. Some diagrams have it downward like this, but mine is upwards. So let's see what else is in here. Oh, we got our shower hose, which 2 O-rings that goes in there. So I might have to open this up and put this in the sunlight so that I can get this so it's not as tight. And then we have a new shower bracket, a new shower head, which looks the exact same one that's in there now. Then we have where the little hose line, so it actually can hold the hose while it doesn't dangle down. And then replacement screws. So to be honest, I might actually, let me see something. If this is the exact same thing, I might actually keep the old faucet hookups. But we'll find out and see. All right, so what we need to do is, oh, look at that. That should not be in there. So it looks like there was mice in here at once upon a time, because that is mice poop. That is not good at all. But luckily, what we'll do is that we'll shop vac that out before we close this up when we get done. So let's remove this. Can disconnect these lines. way. Get to this one. Come on. Of course, they had to put this connection or this access panel in a very tight, pain in the butt spot, so there we go. All right, so now we could be able to go over here and remove this guy. And just like that. Had a little bit of antifreeze left in there, so let's move this out of the way. Don't need that. Now, let's get this guy installed. All right, so with the new faucet, what we need to do is we need to take these screws off, which is to hold it in to the wall. So we're gonna have to attach those very carefully when we get these installed. So we're gonna take this off, put them in a pocket, and then this is gonna be the plate that this goes right here. So we're gonna make sure that stays, because that is what we need to use I'm gonna grab this brace because I don't have help to hold it. Okay, so we got that brace holding that, and then we're gonna take these screws and then gonna attach them without losing them. There's one. This is a mistake. Using one hand. Come on. Get the two threads on. Yes! Got those on, and now we're just gonna tighten it up so I can snug up to the wall. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the brace so that when this gets tight, it doesn't smack it off, so. Now we're gonna tighten that down. All right. So now we need to find my snips. So I did zip tie these to hopefully think that, oh, this will stop the hose connection from falling down. But in reality, it's PEX pipe, so it's pretty firm. So now we just need to reconnect these hoses to the shower. See, try to tighten this up. Then ready to go over here. That's tight as well. Let's go check to make sure. We are good to go. So as you can see, take the old shower head out. And take these O-rings. Let's see. Will this work in the old? Oh yeah. There's no need to replace because it works perfectly in this one. Just like that. Got a new shower head, hose, and faucet. Let's go just to see if this works. Okay. Water works there. Shower faucet's installed and is working great. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. It does help me out. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers who have joined the channel since the last video I uploaded. I know it's been a while, but thank you so much for your guys' patience with the whole situation I was dealing with. Part 4 is going to be coming out very soon to wrap up the series of the Weekend Warrior project. That video had a little bit of a doozy in it, so stay tuned. If you haven't already subscribed, click the subscribe button. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Lets me know what videos you guys do or don't like. I will link also our social media platforms to our social media pages down in the description down below on Facebook and on Instagram. Check those out. I do post behind the scenes footage of things that are going to be coming out, and also footage that are not shown in videos. So if you want to check those links out, the description down below. And thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all your guys' love and support on these videos. And thank you so much for watching, and you have a great rest of your day, and also early happy Mother's Day to all those mothers out there. Take care now. Bye-bye.